Excuse me, can I make a short interview? Just 1 minute.
Yeah, sure.
Where do you come from?
Finland.
Finland. Oh,
Yeah.
nice country. I've been there before.
Really?
Your autumn is very beautiful.
Oh, well, before it gets really dark.
Yes, yes. Before it's getting cold.
Yes.
Yeah, winter is freezing.
Oh, sometimes, yes. And sometimes lots of snow, sometimes not at all.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Here, it's really warm.
very warm.
Yeah.
In Guangzhou, almost 90% time they are very warm.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we're all in summer.
Yeah. In Finland, summer sometimes warm, sometimes not so.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay. So which product you're looking for this time?
Well, we are having a very large variety of products. So right now, I'm searching for vacuum cleaners.
Which?
Vacuum cleaners.
Vacuum.
Yes.
Okay. Have you found some interesting product?
Yes, a lot. Lots of different kinds of interesting products. Yes.
How many years you've been importing from China?
Well, some. Let's say a few years,
A few years now.
maybe 4.
What's your buying amount from China every year? The rough idea?
Well, I'm afraid I can't.
Containers.
I can.
Well, how many containers every year?
Oh, I'm not commenting on this
Okay,
one.
okay. So what's your payment terms with the Chinese company?
It depends, of course, on the company. But
Like TT or credit?
I'm not working with the financial transfers.
Okay.
So it's not. I'm just
Purchasing.
yes, I'm looking at the product and developing them.
Okay, okay. So when you choose a supplier, what are you most concerning? Price, quantity, payment term, services?
Well, quality, of
Yeah.
course, and the contacting, how the conversations work with the suppliers. That's really important. Yes. So that the talking is easy with the factory. If there's a problem, everything works
Yeah.
really well, and this is really important. And well, pricing, of course, but quality is more important
More
than the price,
important.
because if the product is bad,
Yeah, trouble.
yes,
And you
lots
have-
of trouble.
Yeah, and you have trouble because you find
Yes.
this factory.
Yes.
Yeah. So when you choose a factory, how many suppliers will you take into consideration? How many samples you will get from the supplier?
It depends a lot on the product. Sometimes if the supplier is already an existing one and we know it's good, maybe just one. But sometimes now, for example,
For new
products,
and new
well,
suppliers.
here I've been going through
3 or
probably
4?
20 different
20?
to try the products, because here we can.
Yeah.
But if we needed to order the sample, then well, it depends. It always depends. We also have a sourcing partner in China.
Like normally, how many suppliers? 3 or 4? You will take samples, test.
Oh, maybe 3 or 4, maybe.
Maybe 3.
Yeah.
Oh, you have office in China.
Just one employee. here.
One employee.
Yeah.
They're sourcing for you, or they're for QC inspection?
All kinds of needed matters.
Okay. What do you think of Finland market compared to last year? Is growing or?
In Finland?
Yeah.
Well, there was a dip because of the COVID and the inflation. Well, not inflation, but everything getting really high cost,
yeah.
and lots of
The
final
consumption. Yeah.
yeah, and lots of unemployment right now because of the dip. But now it's getting better.
Better and better.
And of course, it's the same in the whole world a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
getting better. So what was the question? Sorry.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can we take a picture? You're very. 这个妹子好可爱啊，很阳光啊，芬兰的啊，芬兰的北欧的很少看到这么阳光的啊，一般都有点高冷啊。芬兰啊，讲到芬兰，以前看的书上面说啊，排队中间隔个2米。这个我没去之前，我真的以为是段子啊。那我去之前，我到了那边，他们还真的是这样子啊。比如说公交车站啊，这个座位在这里，这个座位在那里，就背对着坐那一种啊。排队也是啊，中间有点间距，但很冷啊。正好我去过，然后就跟他聊一下。一个开场，就我们这个，包括平时跟老外聊天，展会上面是吧？这样一个开场，夸一夸他。然后在中国有一个 QC 一样的，他是采购，所以我猜测在中国这边这个人应该是 QC 看场啊、验货啊什么的。采购金额妹子没告诉我们，但我感觉应该不会低啊。你要想啊，一个国外的公司，他能在中国雇佣一个人来做他的 QC， 这个公司啊，采购量绝对不会低，起码100万美金起步，起码100万美金起步。个人猜测啊， 大家也可以感受是不是这样子？付款方式啊，他也很含蓄啊，妹子不告诉我，我猜测应该是 TT， 也可能有账期，有可能有账期。问他芬兰的经济啊，他说不是特别好，他说这个全球经济都这样子。对，找供应商的要求标准啊，这个他讲到一点，第一个质量，北欧的客户嘛，很多要注重质量。第二个 communication， 沟通交流。沟通交流是什么意思呢？就是我跟这家工厂去沟通啊，他懂不懂我？这是为什么说大家要把英语练好呢？包括一个写作，包括一个思维。沟通交流不光是表面的这种啊，我们很多小伙伴在展会上跟老外沟通交流，他都是啊 yes 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 什么的啊，那回去写邮件啊，各种问题出来了。就是你要去懂人家的讲的内容啊，然后你要站在一个利他角度。这就是我为什么说啊，外贸的核心是思维啊。思维是通过什么传达？每一次跟他沟通交流，信息也好，邮件也好，你要把你的思维融入进去，你要去懂他 ，understanding 啊。我们说 understanding， 另外一个背面的含义就是共鸣，就是能真正懂他，共鸣，利他思维。那当你能做到这一点，那去转化它，我觉得问题就不大了。讲到这个思维啊，我们直播间那个299的54类外贸邮件啊，我的个人小课啊。就是讲这个我们做外贸经常会碰到的一些问题、一些案例，每一个案例都有思维解答加邮件模板。比如说客户说价格贵怎么办？客诉出问题怎么办？客户老是不回邮件怎么办？客户老是把我们当备胎怎么办？这种案例100%会碰到的外贸啊，那每一个都有详细解答加英文的邮件模板。这个是我做外贸10几年经验总结出来的。直播间拍一套外贸口语书。对，丝滑的插一个广告啊，